Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on bell icon to receive latest technology videos.
If you are a programmer with a passion for game development or computer science graduate who wants to become a game developer for console, Android, or iOS device and looking for some good courses to start with, then you have to come the right place. In this video, I am going to share some of the best game development courses which are completely free using Unity, Khurana, and Libgdx, three of the most popular game engines for programmers and game developers. While Libgdx is Java based and Unity is C Sharp based, but probably the most popular game engine at this moment. Unity game engine is both powerful and free, which makes it ideal to use it for game development. Game development can be both fun and very rewarding when publishing a hit game to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. But most importantly, it also teaches you how to program, and that's why I suggest anyone learning to code or program to start developing games. It has helped me a lot to develop my coding and algorithm skills in the past and will help you as well. So here is the list of some of the free courses to learn game development in 2019. So the first one, Introduction to Game Development with Unity. This is one of the best courses to learn unit game development online, and the best thing is that it is free. In this course, you will not only learn how to install and set up Unity software, but also how to create projects, scenes, and navigate. You will learn how to use camera and lighting, adding 2D and 3D game objects, manipulating the scene, and play with object colors and material to create real world games. Another nice thing about the course is that the instructor is very enthusiastic, which makes this course more interesting and clear. The second course is Game Development Crash Course, Khurana SDK. You can do it. If you are interested in 2D mobile game development for Android and iOS, then you have probably heard of the Khurana SDK framework. If not, it is another popular game engine for creating games. So in this course, you will first dive in and create a simple game. Along the way, you will magically learn how to use the core concepts of Khurana SDK like animation, tap and touch events, and playing audio. The third one, simple game programming from scratch with Libgdx and Java. This is another short course to learn game development in Java using Libgdx, one of the most popular game development library in Java. So in this course, you will learn how to develop a floppy bird-like game by Libgdx and Java from scratch and learn the basics of programming and game development along the way. The fourth one is Introduction to Game Development with Unity. This is a great online course to learn how to develop high quality 3D game for web, PC, Mac, or even Linux using Unity. In this course, you will first learn how to create, acquire, modify, and integrate quality assets such as sounds, music, and 3D models. You will also learn Agile game development design principles and practices geared towards Unity 3D, and Net. So that's all about some of the best free Unity courses to learn game development in 2019. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.